Yeah,
All
sure.
right. नमस्कार, वेलकम टू कॉमन इंडियन वॉइस। आज दुनिया में अगर आप चारों तरफ देखेंगे ना, यू सी दैट पीपल दे आर रशिंग अराउंड एंड कहीं ना कहीं टेंशन है, कहीं ना कहीं तकलीफ है। एंड हम लोग जनरली एक हमारा आइडिया हो जाता है कि हम लोग टेंशन्स को एंड बाकी मतलब बाकी हैप्पीनेस को इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देख के ना, हम तकलीफ को ही इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं। एंड लोग उसके पीछे दे आर ऑलवेज स्क्रिबिंग, या तो कुछ उसी के बारे में बोलते रहते हैं। तो इसके बारे में बात करने के लिए हम लोग फिर से इकट्ठा हुए। आज टॉपिक पॉलिटिकल नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, बस हाउ टू बी हैप्पीनेस क्वोशंट क्या है। एंड उसको बोलने उसके लिए हम लोगों के साथ फिर से डॉक्टर वंदना भारद्वाज है। एंड पहले भी मैं बोल चुकी हूँ, शी इज MD साइकियाट्रिस्ट and she has done her PhD in naturopathy, and she works with human rights, and none better to tell us how to be happy. And of course we have Natarajan ji, आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छी तरह से आप उनको जानते हैं। Natarajan ji is into a lot of things. The best thing we love about him is he's an avid bird watcher, and professionally he's into insurance and he's into IT. Both of you, namaskar and welcome. नमस्कार।
Namaste.
एंड अभी तो नवरात्रि चल रही है, मैं व्यूअर्स को नवरात्रि की शुभकामनाएं भी दूंगी। आप दोनों को भी नवरात्रि की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
आपको भी ईशा।
So Dr. Sahab, I would like to ask you, why is it that people they run after money, they run after material things, but mental wellness, mental happiness, उसके पीछे जाना क्यों छोड़ दिए? Why have they left it?
नहीं, कोई छोड़ा नहीं है। उनको हैप्पीनेस चाहिए। उनको लगता है कि मनी के वजह से हैप्पीनेस मिलेगा, इसीलिए मनी के पीछे दौड़ते हैं। तो एक्चुअली इट्स जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ। अगर वो समझ में आ जाता है तो इतना प्रॉब्लम किसी को भी नहीं पड़ेगा। सो डोंट रन आफ्टर एनीथिंग। किसी के भी पीछे भागोगे तो कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है। यू गेट एवरीथिंग व्हेन यू आर एट पीस, when you're quiet. So even happiness, when you're quiet, when you're at peace, तभी मिलेगा। उसके पीछे भी भागना मत।
नटराजन जी, आपको क्या लगता है, what is happiness? Happiness है क्या?
See, there is nothing like happiness. Okay, the happiness that we seek, actually, to me, it comes from inside, and it lies in the fact that we need to appreciate the smaller things, or which are the bigger things in life. Coincidentally, today I had put out a post about the blind experiment. Okay, and that's a long post that I got it as a WhatsApp forward, and then I circulated it. There is also a restaurant in Hyderabad that when you go, the people who manage the show, they are all visually challenged. They cannot see. Okay, and the restaurant is pitch dark, and then you are to choose your food, everything in the dark, and things like that. And how you it makes you realize that how lucky you are in the that you are able to see when you wake up. When you wake up, you are able to open your eyes and see the colors of the world, the beauty of the sky. Okay, and the people around you, the green trees, the greenery around you. Okay, we take a lot of things for granted. As we assume things, we just are not grateful. And in being grateful, I think a part of your happiness from inside comes out, and it comes out in the way you deal with others, and you make it's infectious. You see, you see one person smiling, after having done a job, you feel like smiling back. Okay, that is infectious. That's the happiness that comes from within. how you perceive things. So it has got a lot to do with how you react. I mean, it's a holistic thing. Happiness is a factor of multiple things in life. It is not just the thing. It's a derivative of multiple things. And once you start looking at things from inside, okay, the way we live, okay, it gives a lot of बोलते हैं ना, सुकून जो मिलता है, that's how it is getting reflected.
एक चीज बोलूंगी, जब बहुत ज्यादा काम हो जाता है, मल्टीटास्किंग तो अभी एज अ टीचर, एज अ प्रोफेशनल, वी आर ऑलवेज मल्टीटास्किंग, एंड जब बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है, व्हाट आई डू, आई आइदर टेक आउट माय हैरी पॉटर सीरीज, आई रीड द होल सीरीज, और आई गो ऑन अ हैरी पॉटर बिंज, एंड आई डोंट नो, आई कम बैक, एंड एक्चुअली वो जो मैं रामायण पढ़ रही हूँ एंड ऑल दैट, उसके बीच में मैं हैरी पॉटर देख रही हूँ 2 दिन से, आई एम एक्चुअली वॉचिंग इट, मतलब आई डोंट नो, मुझे उसमें आई एम हैप्पी. छोटे जैसे नटराजन जी ने बोला है, डॉक्टर भारद्वाज, आपको नहीं लगता है कि वी लुक फॉर द बिगर थिंग्स, एंड उसके वजह से ना, वो सच बात है, छोटी छोटी चीजों में ना जो खुशियां हमको मिलती थी, जैसे सब लोग मिलके बैठ रहे हैं, एंड बैठ के मे बी कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे, बट वी आर सिटिंग ओवर देयर शेयरिंग स्मॉल थिंग्स, खुशियां उसमें मिलती है. तो कहाँ खो रही है?
खो नहीं रहे, हम बड़े हो गए हैं. Actually, when we see the youngsters, the toddlers or the infants, there is a lot to learn from them. They are not jealous. They don't envy. There is no greed. What do you find in them? Happiness, laughter. When you grow, slowly everything peeps in. Because हम लोग मोमेंट टू मोमेंट तो जीते नहीं है. ये इतने फास्ट ट्रैक की जिंदगी हो गई, किसी के पास बैठकर मेडिटेट करने के लिए टाइम नहीं है, which is very important. I always tell people you have to meditate 20 minutes. If you're a very busy person, you have to meditate for 1 hour. That is important. Cleanliness, that is अंदर से clean होना. It is needed. We are dumped with everything. Actually, our nature is very childlike. हम सब वही है. नहीं तो आप हैरी पॉटर देख के क्यों खुश हो जाते हो या वापस कैसे नॉर्मल होते हो? So if I look at pets, yes, there's a smile on my face. I go happy. We all have a child within. But the thing is, we have covered it with layers and layers of every other things. The child is forgotten. That is all. Childlike, be childlike, matlab, be happy. That is it. And that is possible only when you don't have all those ingredients of like envy, jealous, whatever it is. We all grew up with this. We are taught all these things. We are not with these things. We are never born with these things. हम पैदा तो बहुत खूबसूरती से हुए हैं. ये सब हमको सिखाया गया है. तो ओके फाइन, बचपन में सीख गए, मगर बड़े होने के बाद एटलीस्ट उसमें से बाहर आना सीखना जरूरी है. Comparison, that's the one thing which destroys everything.
Bingo.
इतनी सी बात में कंपेयर करना शुरू कर दिया, बस you have lost your mental stability. You have lost the base of happiness, the foundation of happiness. Smile में कुछ नहीं होगा. Smile will be miles away. Never compare your life with anybody else. We are all unique. We are all given something which belongs to us. They are having what they have to have. And we literally don't know what life they are going through. कंपैरिजन ऐसे हो जाता है ना, जो दिखता है उसको देख के हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. वी लिटरली डोंट नो देयर एक्चुअल लाइफ. प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पर शुरू होता है. कोई खुश है, यस, ओ माय गॉड, हाउ कैन दे बी हैप्पी एंड आई एम नॉट? व्हाई दैट आई एम नॉट comes? Just say they are happy. and you be happy for them. You know, being happy for somebody else आजकल देखना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है. People are not happy for others. That's the worst thing happened to a human being. People are human, the so-called evolved species. But we don't behave like that. पर आप ढूंढोगे खुशियां, कहाँ मिलेगी खुशियां? खुशियां तो यहाँ है. You have happiness here. You have happiness here. You have. Nowadays, nobody speaks to be happy or to make others happy. अब देखो, टॉन्ट करने के लिए बात करते हैं. कोई खुशी देने के लिए बात ही नहीं कर रहा. Then how can we expect happiness?
मेरा एक बहुत मतलब पर्सनल भी है उसमें. मेरा थोड़ा सा I'll say that I'm asking the next question because it is affecting me very much. As you know, I lost my father last year. अभी जैसे उस दिन क्या हुआ कि महालया था, जिस दिन हम लोगों को अमावस्या जिस दिन था ना, तो बंगालीज महालया मनाते हैं. एंड सुबह सुबह उठ के चंडी पाठ सुनते हम लोग. So I sat down, I started and I was weeping. मैं continuously रोए जा रही थी, and that's why मैं हैरी पॉटर के बिंच पे गई, क्योंकि you know I that thought kept coming to me कि this is the first year I neither have my father nor my mother. How do you overcome this pain? I'm trying. Actually, I'm trying to keep myself busy. I keep doing something or the other. How do you cope with that?
Mm-hmm.
Were you able to?
Yeah, I just went off.
हाँ, नहीं, मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि मतलब मुझे एकदम रियलाइजेशन हुआ कि पहली बार मेरी लाइफ में दुर्गा पूजा आ रहा है. बंगालीज के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड माय पेरेंट्स आर नॉट देयर. आई हैव लॉस्ट बोथ ऑफ देम. फर्स्ट ईयर विदाउट माय मदर एंड माय फादर. एंड जब मैं वो चंडी पाठ सुन रही थी ना, आई वाज कंटिन्यूअसली क्राइंग. आंखों से आंसू अपने आप ही निकल रहे थे. आई डोंट नो हाउ डू यू ओवरकम दिस. हाउ डू यू ओवरकम दिस?
गलत नहीं है, रोना गलत नहीं है. ओके, रोना गलत नहीं है. You have to cry. You have to let it out. But the truth remains. They are no more with us physically. That is the truth. But they are there. How? Just आप आईना देखो. You are them. You are no different from your parents. आप कहाँ ढूंढ रहे हो उनको? मैं तो और एक स्टेप आगे जाके बोलूंगी कि now they are more close to you. They love you more. There's no screen. Physical जो body रहता है ना, there is a screen. Now I'm talking a sort of paranormal. Abhi, they are just souls. They can interact with you. They can love you unconditionally. Straight to you. See, many ask me when I say this कि आप बोलना बहुत easy है, but I have gone through this. So I'm saying, it's not that okay, fine. मैंने रोया नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. Yes, it did. It hurts you
very much.
But it hurts you till the day you think that they are a different entity. Start thinking that they are in you. It will never hurt you. Every time you smile, you know that your parents are smiling through you. Every time you help somebody, you know it is your parents, through you they are helping. हम बोलते हैं भगवान यहाँ पर है. Mother and father भगवान से कम नहीं है. They are also here. Don't search them out. Let it be God or let it be the people who left us physically.
I think मेरी पर्सनल लॉस ये अकेले का नहीं है. lots of people go through this. I hope कि जो डॉक्टर वंदना ने बोला है वो आपको भी हेल्प करेगा. एक और चीज है, जैसे आपने मेडिटेशन बोला, आई थिंक इवन नटराजन जी भी अग्री करेंगे, मेडिटेशन इज नॉट एवरीवनस कप ऑफ टी. हाउ डू वी मेडिटेट? मतलब कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ही तो नहीं होता है. The moment we sit down, I don't know about नटराजन जी. नटराजन जी, what about you?
First of all,
मैं बैठती हूँ तो पता नहीं दुनिया भर की चीजें सोचती हूँ. Concentration तो zero.
See, I don't, before Vandana answers, just a couple of points on this meditation. I'm not too much into meditation, very honestly, but then I have read about it. And yes, जो आपने बोला था कि इन्हें दुनिया भर का सवाल तभी आएंगे जब आप मेडिटेट करने लगते हो. सब कुछ वही मोमेंट पे आएगा. ऑल इन बिग नंबर्स दे विल कम, जो आपने सोचा भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है. So I believe I read a very interesting article. One person, he talked about his own experience as to how we went into it. Maybe I'll share that, but then I would think it takes time to get into that phase, get into that mode of focusing on things. For me, walk in the mountains is the best therapy. I'm by myself, a solitude that enables me to do whatever I want in a mental state. Over to Vandana ji.
Okay. All right. Everybody asks meditation is not meditation. Meditation, you literally go blank. Meditation is time where you receive. अगर आपको रिसीव करना है तो एम्प्टीनेस इंपॉर्टेंट है. बिना एम्प्टीनेस कुछ भी रिसीव नहीं हो पाता है. सो द शून्य is important. Is it hard to meditate? Yes. To start with, it is very hard. Problem कहाँ पर आता है? When the thoughts come. जब thoughts आ रहा है, we try to stop that and you concentrate somewhere. Where are you concentrating? There is nothing to concentrate. That's the truth of meditation. There is actually nothing to concentrate. You become nothing. When this becomes nothing, only then I can get connected to the nothingness. If not, it's not possible. Micro is the macro and macro is the micro. So I have to be that empty to be in that emptiness. So हम क्या करते हैं, जब thoughts आता है, तुरंत उसको control करते हो. नहीं, ये नहीं. I have to control. No, don't do that. Let the thought comes. One day, twice, second day, third day, fourth day. The mind gets bored. That's the truth. It cannot think the same every day. It needs something new. The third day से अब शुरू कर दो. ये तो बोल चुका है, कुछ नया बोलो. This I literally teach my students who comes for meditation. मैम ये थॉट आ रहा है, उसको बोलो ये मैं देख चुका हूँ, मैं इससे गुजर चुका हूँ, तो कुछ नया बोल. Mind has nothing at all to say. After 5 days, the mind becomes blank. That is the time you start meditating. Not, I will not go for any jap, nam jap, nothing. That's not meditation. That is improving your concentration. In meditation, there should not be anything. The emptiness is needed. It is for receiving. That is why we say you do it in Brahma Muhurt. At 3:30 to 4:30, that's the best time to sit and meditate. Start doing this. Because in the daytime try करते हैं. After 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock बैठकर थोड़ा try करते हैं. तब तक पूरा brain जाग जाता है to the material world. The brain is ready for the material world. but that Brahma Muhurt brain is actually working. So इतना आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा कि बहुत सारे थॉट्स आएंगे, कुछ नहीं होगा. You can sit. You start with 10 minutes. Ask for an hour. Start with 10 minutes. 5 days. In 5 days, your mind will be in your control. The day the mind is in your control, the world is in your control. Then the happiness flows. Till then, happiness will not flow. If you listen to your mind, you will never be happy. The mind listens to you, you're always happy.
Vandana ji, we have lost you again. Yeah, we have completely lost her. And I'm sorry viewers, but आजकल ना weather हर जगह पे problem आ रहा है. तो इसके वजह से बार-बार we are losing. She's back. Okay, Vandana ji, last thoughts
I
आपके बारे में.
literally don't know where you lost me.
I would like you to say something to the viewers. कि भाई,
Yeah.
how to keep, मतलब you have already said, but I would like you to say कि भाई, what do we do? मतलब how to detach
To be
ourselves
happy.
from all the things and be happy. क्योंकि आजकल हम लोग आजकल देखते हैं ना happiness quotient and all that, उतनी बड़ी बातें तो नहीं करती, but I think it's a state of mind. Happiness is a state of mind. हम चाहे तो खुश रह सकते, हम नहीं चाहे तो खुश नहीं रहेंगे, कुछ भी हो जाए. तो कॉन्शियस एफर्ट डालना चाहिए कि नहीं डालना चाहिए, ये बताइए आप.
Okay. Happiness comes when you least expect it. Number 1. Number 2. ये किया अच्छा होगा इसीलिए मैं खुश रहूंगी. No. जो भी हो रहा है मेरे साथ मेरे अच्छा के लिए ही हो रहा है. If you have this trust, you will never be sad. Saddest moment in your life. There is something good in whatever is happening to you. You have to trust that. Do you trust your biological mother? है ना? वो कभी आपको बुरा कर सकते हैं? Can she ever harm you?
Never.
Even think of harming you? She's just a biological mother. Whom we are talking about is the universal mother. Do you think she will harm you? Do you think she will let you be sad? Actually, we lose it during that emotional impulse. उस time में we lose it. हमको तब लगता है कि मेरे साथ गलत हो गया है. Then we are shattered. मेरे साथ ये क्यों हुआ? कुछ तो होगा. Just change it. If you start thinking this, एक भी चीज आपके जिंदगी में जो आ रहा है आपको बुरा नहीं लगेगा, आप दुखी नहीं रहेंगे. Because I know, I have the whole confidence that मेरे लिए जो भी होता है वो मेरे अच्छे के लिए ही होता है. So whatever is happening, उसमें कुछ तो चाहिए. Something else, the
Dr. Bhardwaj, we are losing you again.
You have, oh my God. Is it okay?
We are losing you again.
I think we can go ahead with this. Trust the universe. Trust.
Okay. नटराजन जी, I would एक छोटा सा आपसे क्वेश्चन है. आप तो बर्ड वॉचिंग करते हैं, तो मैंने जहां तक देखा है लोग जो नेचर में बहुत अपने आप को खो दे सकते हैं, दे आर वेरी पीसफुल जनरली. आपको जैसे आप जब कहीं पे जाते हैं नेचुरल इसमें, आप वहां से वापस आना चाहते हैं क्या नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट में? एंड हाउ डू यू cope? Because I have stayed in mountains
please.
and I know I love those places.
Given a choice, no. Given a choice, no. But realities are different. So we have to compromise somewhere. So I use uh, being in the mountains or bird watching as a way to recharge myself, because birds, they like Vandana was telling, you see, uh, with children, it is just happiness per se. There is no expectation. So the happiness, the love, the innocence, वो आपको बहुत खुशी देती है. Same thing with birds, same thing with watching them in their natural environment. You just get lost. uh, when you see them, their colors, you start wondering how nature can create such a beautiful thing. When you start seeing their nests, you wonder what has taught them, what is it in their that has taught them how to make a nest, how they behave, how they have been programmed. So many questions are there, and they are also wondrous things, natural things, and of course, you can watch birds, but when you want to do photography, it's a different ball game. They can make you very frustrated because they don't sit one moment for still. Okay, just when you think you've taken it, you see a empty branch because the bird has flown away. Okay, वो बार बार होता है, but then it teaches you patience.
It teaches you patience.
And it also teaches you one very important thing. Okay, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, when we go to seek something, we don't get it, but when we observe things around, those things come and teach us. Like, when me and my friends go for a birding, we don't expect anything. It's just a blank thing. Even if we see one bird, we are happy in their natural environment. कभी कभी अच्छे मिलते हैं, कभी कभी दिन भी आते हैं जब कुछ देख ही नहीं पाते हैं, other than one or two birds. फिर भी, you see, we are doing that work for a larger cause, bigger cause. हम तो बोलते हैं कि for instance sparrow बहुत कम हो गए हैं cities में, but unless until we study them, how do we know कितना कम हो गया है? Maybe from our region it has gone to some other region. तो कैसे study करेंगे? So it is at a macro level. When we all collect the data individually, we collect data and then submit it and then study it at a macro level, फिर हमें पता चलता है that yes, this is. But at my individual level, birding gives me a lot of joy because I'm in the natural environment. I'm breathing fresh air, fresh oxygen. So that itself does a world of good to me.
So friends, we are at the end of the session. आज के टेक अवे, मेडिटेट कर सकते हैं, आपको शांति मिलेगी. छोटे छोटे चीजों में आप अपनी खुशियां ढूंढिए, हॉबीज रखिए, पैशन रखिए, फॉलो कीजिए. हाँ, हैरी पॉटर भी देख लीजिए, उसमें भी शायद खुशी मिल जाएगी. एंड जो लोग द पीपल हु हैव गॉन थ्रू लॉसेस, उसको एक्सेप्ट कीजिए. एंड जैसे डॉक्टर वंदना ने बोला है, उनको अपने अंदर ढूंढिए, बाहर मत ढूंढिए, तो आप लोग खुश जरूर रहेंगे. विल कम बैक विथ यू. सॉरी, थोड़ा सा आज वंदना जी का नेट थोड़ा ज्यादा ही ट्रबल किया है, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम शी वोंट. एंड नमस्कार, शुभ रात्रि. थैंक यू नटराजन जी, थैंक यू डॉक्टर भारद्वाज.
Thanks Isha ji, and thanks Vandana ji for sparing your time, and wishing all our viewers a very, very happy Navratri.
Yeah, same.